Hey guys, today we are going to change the rear turn signal on this 2009 Mercury Mariner. If this video is helpful, you just hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out a lot. So the first thing we're going to do is take out these two Phillips screws right here. Once you have those two screws out, you can pretty much just pull this right out like this. And then you have access to both your brake and turn signal bulb, which is right here, and also your reverse light, which is right here. I will put a link in the description to an Amazon listing for bulbs. To get these out, all you have to do is just twist and pull. There we go. And then you can just pull these right out. There we go. You can put your new one in. It doesn't matter if you put it in this way or this way. It works either way. And then you can slide the bulb back in and then twist it back shut. Works the same way with this one, but they are different bulbs, so I'll have a link to both types of bulb there. When you're putting this back in, make sure that you have these two alignment pegs right here that go into that hole and this hole. Just make sure you get those in the holes there when you're putting it back together. Other than that, it's just putting the two screws back in the holes and you're done. So if this video is helpful, can you just hit the thumbs up button and have a good one.